How to manage form and newsletter storage in Squarespace. In order to do that, actually need to head over first to your online store. And if you want, you can head over and choosing here the edit form block and click the storage tab. So for this case, you can actually head over first to your edit site and locate the form block that you wish to actually change the storage for it. So I have in here this form. So onto this right here, you can proceed to actually click onto this edit icon. And in here, you can click onto this storage option. In here, you can manage your submissions and you can see in here the email notifications. So on default, any form blocks will automatically connect your login email address, which is this one. You can also add MailChimp, Zapier, or Google Drive right here by going right here to the additional storage. For this case, just proceed to connect which right here you want to actually add as a storage for this particular form. So proceed to click on the disconnect. You will be redirected to this window and just proceed to log in into that particular account that you wish to use. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.